Rob Judy, the Illinois Secretary of State, testified at a hearing recently saying more needs to be done to make auto insurance rates fair for consumers. Industry experts blame the skyrocketing costs of claims and say that consumers can shop around. The average cost of full coverage car insurance in Illinois jumped from $1,800 to $2,300 in the last year. That's according to Bankrate.com. One potential solution, a state insurance rate review process that would approve or deny rate increases. An idea supported by Illinois Secretary of State Alexi Janulius.
We're one of only 2 states that doesn't review before these rate hikes. People are sick and tired of opening up their mail and seeing car insurance bills that they never could have fathomed.
2 new bills were recently discussed in front of Illinois' House Insurance Committee. One could add that review process, and both could change rules in the auto insurance industry. Critics like the Secretary of State and Illinois PIRG say insurers currently use criteria like zip codes and credit scores, and that can be discriminatory.
We think insurance should be based off of how you drive, not who you are.
If you are poor and live in Illinois, you are paying higher insurance premiums for your vehicle. That is unacceptable, and we are here to fight for those people.
But an insurance expert testified on behalf of the industry, saying all factors about individual drivers should be considered to make rates fair for everyone.
You're buying the policy for what's going to happen in the next 6 months to a year. The more factors that they use, the more accurate that pricing could be based on one's risk profile. That seems fair.
State Representative Jeff Kiker sits on the Insurance Committee, and he's also a State Farm Insurance agent. He agrees, saying Illinois ranks 18th in the U.S. for the lowest insurance rates.
We have an open and competitive marketplace. So if an insurer in the state of Illinois is charging too much, insurers are free and able and very easily able to secure insurers with another carrier, oftentimes at a lower price.
Insurance industry experts also say the cost of auto parts have gone up. To save money, you can always shop around for insurance. You usually do not have to wait until your policy is up for renewal. Rob, Judy, for more tips, go to our website at abc7chicago.com. You can go there to compare costs. What a big issue for everybody right now. Everything's going up, as we know, but you have to have insurance.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.